good amount, not too thick. I should do this one in here. It's thick, so we're gonna do it just like, as I said, this is just for your preference. If you don't want your flowers, you don't have to. I mean, if you don't want any crystal placement, you don't have to. But if you are going to do the crystal placement, you can definitely add this on. Yeah. There you go. Okay, and I'm gonna add the no wipe top coat, and just floating on the top. So now we are going to, so it's really up to you if you want to get yours. This is beautiful. I get the 3D handcrafted flowers and then have the crystal on the side right here. So if you don't have this, and a lot of you will get this and but different colors. I get this is quite a few times with the twin flowers. Okay, I'm gonna put right on the side. You can see that it's gold perfect right on the side. Okay, and then I'm gonna just blend it and make sure. Sorry. Okay, so then we are going to flash gear for 30 seconds. And now we're gonna go into using ours is standard condensed glue gel. It's still thick condensed glue gels. And then we are going ahead and adding a good amount, not too much. Because you don't want to flood your crystals. But then you want to be enough crystal for your crystal placement. Okay. And then you can add any, I really want this. I'm gonna add some of this and along with my mix. But you know what? Also, I got a little S shape right here and want to use it as well. And this one I get it, like a lot of you, I see some of you were sharing with Glitz and you got like pink one, you get a green one. It's just so awesome. I'm so excited.
Bougie, actually, is there another way to prep now tip without having to use a buffer?
Perhaps the new tip, I mean the clean the nails.
Maybe it's just, yes.
Bougie, is that you mean the clean the nails when I'm cleaning the nails like this? I'm using the charm in the frame from the mix little cute mix bags from Subbox. I'm having fun with this right now because there's got a lot of cool elements in here. See which one I have? I have this one too.
You have a lot?
I have a lot in that. So you don't have to, if you're prepping on the swatch nail like this, you don't have to necessarily buff it. You can solely skip it because you are going to put the base gels and then the top on. You don't want to buff it too shiny anyway, so the best way to do is to, if you don't want to buff it, you don't have to, like that. I would suggest you shouldn't buff it if you don't want to. If I get your question right. If not, let me know. So I am adding the beads. I got it from this little cuties right here, which is from a sub box as well. I'm enjoying it so much, and I'm using the Ultimate Crystal Kit to did this S shape. So the best way to do, so a lot of you will ask question, how do I decide to getting the crystal designs? It's really simple. I'm always getting a centerpiece first. In this beauty designs, I use the twin roses. Then I add the twin roses on as a centerpiece, and then I'm using the S shape as a long like elements along with the nails. You don't have to. If you are really happy with just that flower, you are good to go. But if you want to add some elements on it, you want to add some like other crystals on, you can add the F shape. You can add any shape you want. It doesn't have to be the S shape.
Yeah, so Bougie says she want to do clear nail design. But if I'm correct, so when you buff and you get like a base gel or no white top coat on, it will fill in all the gap from the buffer and make it look nice and clean. You will not see any scratch underneath at all.
Yes, you're correct. Yep, so when you are finished, you put the top one on. You don't see all the unsmooth surface because you don't want it too smooth when you are buffing it, because you want the base and the top coat to grab your nail surface. I hope I got it right. If not, then please let me know. All right, I'm so happy with this. It looks so cute. And then now this is really cool because I'm not afraid of this one, because even though it covers like a part of the nails, it's cute because it's glow in the dark, so it's even cuter. Cute.